The English drama, Narrow Domestic Walls.
Well, the title sounds very interesting, but what is it all about?
The title, Narrow Domestic Walls, reminds us about Rabindranath Tagore's poem, Where the Mind is Without Fear, in which one of the lines claims, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by the narrow domestic walls. Well, it's about a joint family in contemporary Andhra Pradesh.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's watch it now.
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to experience the English drama, Narrow Domestic Walls, written and directed by our director, Sri Vinayak Kalitla.
Wait. We have a disclaimer for the notice of the audience. The concept dramatized and the characters enacted in this drama are fictitious. Any resemblance to the real persons, living or dead, is purely coincidental.
Oh, what a happy scene is today on a Sankranti day. Our joint family is so blessed. It is 10 years since we have passed away, but our upbringing is so good.
Yes, our 4 sons and 4 daughters-in-law are living so happily along with their children. May God bless them on this festival day and throughout the coming year.
See, our eldest daughter-in-law, Rama, wife of Kutumba Rao. She has been very patient and supportive to Kutumba Rao.
Ladies, hurry up. Our Sankranti festival will be over before you put up the marigolds. Hurry up.
So happy to see our eldest son Kutumba Rao. He has been instrumental in bringing up this family. And he is such a hard-working son. Only I know the sacrifices he has made.
Thank God you came back early. Because you're a farmer, you have to go to the fields even on a festival day.
Because I go to the fields every day only, we have got such a good harvest. See, the farm has produced so much. I have brought coconuts and bananas for the festival. Just get those workers to put them inside.
Here comes our second son Gopal, the first doctor of our family. He always made us proud with his academic achievements.
You're lucky, Annaya. You just have to go to the farm for a few hours and come back because it's Sankranti. As doctors, we have to go and attend our patients even on a festival day.
Look there, our third son Madhu has come, a genius of his school days. He worked so hard to become a software engineer.
You are lucky, Annaya. You just have to put the seeds in the soil and wait for them to grow. Whereas, we have to struggle with the latest changes in the IT field.
See, Srilata is coming now, wife of Madhu. Another software engineer in our family. A perfect match for Madhu, huh?
Bavagarandi, Chudandi, we have to go to office even on a festival day. We get holidays for Thanksgiving and Christmas, not for Sankranti or Deepavali.
And see, Vijaya has come, wife of Gopal, another gem in academics, an excellent match for Gopal.
Abba, Twarga Randi, you know Hyderabadi traffic? Today, because of festival, there will be even more traffic. Akka, is the breakfast ready? Yes, breakfast is almost ready. Just come and help me to serve it.
Children, come, let us have breakfast.
Daddy, why are you going to office even on the festival day?
How do you think you are studying in an international school? From where do you think I get money to pay your exorbitant school fees?
Ore Gopal, do you need to go to your clinic even today?
My clinic is in that old city, no? So there is no holiday for festivals like Sankranti. And besides, there is no holiday for diseases. Bye everyone.
Bye.
See, our fourth son Ram Babu and his wife Harita are coming. He runs his own hardware shop. He's a good businessman too.
Actually, Dr. Saab is going to the clinic for the money that he gets from his patients. He can even earn money on the festival days.
Paira Rambabu.
But I can't. I have to close my hardware shop because I won't get workers on these days.
People don't come to buy hardware items on festival days. We lose money on festival days because we don't even get workers. No plumber, no electrician, nobody.
Ore Rambabu, get a carpenter ra. The children were asking for a chhatri, so we must get it done ra.
Hey, Chudara Rambabu, because you have hardware shop, you can get a carpenter. See the advantage of having your own hardware shop. Bye everybody.
Bye.
The house is running well only because of us. It is we who are getting all the repairs of the house done.
Look at the advantages of living in a joint family. I am providing the food. Gopal is a doctor and is taking care of all our medical problems. Madhu does all our internet work, and you Rambabu are providing workmen to repair and service the house. Unity is joy. Look how happily our children are all playing together.
Look how happy our sons are.
Look how happy our grandchildren are. We are lucky because all our children are together. Look at that Narayan Rao's family. They divided themselves and are now suffering from lack of support and help.
Lunch is served. Come and have lunch.
What about the children? Did they have lunch?
Yes, I gave them lunch early and now they are playing.
Gopal, I am so happy that you and your wife managed to finish your patients early and came home for lunch. Madhu, it's a good thing that you and your wife also took half-day permissions. Ore Rambabu, why are you sitting there all by yourself? Come, let us have lunch.
The advantage of joint family is that we can enjoy such a variety of food.
Vadina, what sweets did you make for us?
We made laddus because your eldest brother likes them, Badusha because Gopal likes it, and Arisalu because your Madhu Anna likes them.
Huh? You have made something for all my 3 brothers and nothing for me? Anyayam jarigindi naku.
But these 3 sweets are your favorite sweets too. I did not know you have special preferences for any sweet, Rambabu.
No. You have done injustice to me. You have made 3 special items for my 3 brothers. You could have made 1 special item for me as well.
But you don't like any other sweet, no? You like only these 3 sweets which I have made for you. You tell me your special liking and I will make it by today evening.
Naku anyayam jarigindante. Injustice has been done to me.
Ore Rambabu, don't argue. It's a festival day. Let us have some peace of mind. Rama, the buffalo is giving good milk. Did you make Junnu with it?
Yes, I made Junnu for the children.
Get it and give it to Rambabu. He will have it.
Lakshmi, bring the Junnu. Siddharth, Malika, come here. We have to go now. Harita, where are you going now? I'm taking my children and going to my parents' house for a dawat. Come children, let's go.
No. We don't want to go. There is no one there to play with. Here we have so many people to play. We are not coming. That's it.
Here we have lots of cousins to play. I don't want to come. Alright, then stay here only. Akka, please look after them. They have homeworks for Sankranti holidays and please see that they complete also. Don't worry, I will take care of them. And as always, you can go and complain about us to your parents. What? I don't do that. Siddharth, Malika, go and bring your books. All the children, go and bring your books. Ram Babu, you're still eating sweets. And you were complaining that nothing was made for you. So...
Vandana, why are you casting your evil eyes on my food? Nothing was made for me. So injustice has been done to me. But just because you have done injustice to me, do you think I'll sit quietly without eating? Nothing doing. I'll never keep quiet. I'll still eat all the sweets.
चली चली रे पतंग मेरी चली रे, चली चली रे पतंग मेरी चली रे, चली बादलों के पार होके डोर पे सवार सारी दुनिया ये देख।
अरे रामू का पतंग काटो रे।
चली चली रे पतंग मेरी
నాకు మళ్ళీ అన్యాయం జరిగింది. Why should the kids cut my kite only?
Randi Pujari garu. Rama, the family Pujari has come. Bring the Tiladanam.
Babu Kutumbarao, though you are only a farmer and not educated, still you have managed to educate your brothers and gave them good opportunities in life. You managed to make one brother as doctor and another as engineer.
What about my father Ram Babu? Why are you not talking about him?
Maredu chettu nati, mango fruits expect cheste ela nayana. As you sow, so you reap. Your father used to bunk classes and go play cricket and watch movies. That is why he failed in intermediate. At least you used to study very well, my dear Babu.
You came for Dakshina. Take your Dakshina and go away. Why are you revealing my flashback? That too to my children? You foolish old man.
Ore Ram Babu, Shantan Ra, don't raise your voice on our family Pujari. He has been there with us since his father's time and our parents' time. Now come, apologize and take his blessings.
I don't want to take his blessings. Naku anyayam jarigindi.
Ore Ram Babu. Pujari garu, sorry for my brother's behavior. I apologize for my brother's foolish behavior. Ore Madhu, Gopal, come, let us take our Pujari's blessings.
Vellostanu Babu, may God bless your home and your family. Illa paapalato challaga vardillandi. Narayana, Narayana.
Do you realize how much money our parents spent on Gopal and Madhu's education?
Why all that now?
They sold a part of family land and gave 4 lakhs each for their donation. If they would not have sold, it would have cost crores and crores of rupees right now.
Wait. You should have studied like us. Then they would have spent for your education also.
Whether I studied or not, they should also given me 4 lakhs. This is injustice done to me.
Hello, what are you talking, huh? You should have asked our parents for the money then, not now, okay? They are dead.
Anyayam jarigindi naku.
Why is Ram Babu spoiling his mind and his life by thinking that injustice is being done to him?
I hope he learns to understand and accept his family.
I hope he understands.
राम बाबू सर, मैंने आपको पैसा पूछा तो आपने वॉकआउट किया। मेरा टेलरिंग का दुकान है, असल में नहीं है। जब चाहो तो वॉकआउट करो, मेरा पेमेंट करो जी।
अरे मुझसे मत पूछ।
Show me that bill. Let me see what you have stitched.
ये लो, बेटा भी पॉलिटिशियन बनना चाहता है।
550 rupees for dhoti kurta for Peddanana. 3,000 rupees for a saree for Ella Peddamma. 2,500 rupees for a saree for Vijay Peddamma. And 500 rupees pant and shirt for Gopal Peddamma. The whole list is like this. So much money is spent on ladies' clothes and so little is spent on gents' clothes. I think it's better to be a lady. I wish I was born as a girl.
लो, कर लो बात। इस आइटम पे कितना खर्च होता है, ये सब देखना है तेरे को। और कुछ काम धंधा नहीं है क्या तुमको?
See this item. You have used 3 meters of cloth for my older cousin brother and only 1.5 meter of cloth for my shirt and short. This is injustice done to me. If you are using 3 meters of cloth for my elder cousin brother, then you should have used 3 meters for me also and stitched 2 shorts and 2 shirts. అన్యాయం జరిగింది నాకు.
Varni Dumpadega. Rambabu's son has got his father's nature only.
Yes, he has. He's even using that phrase, injustice has been done.
Yes, but why does Rambabu go on repeating that phrase? Naku anyayam jarigindi.
Just because he is uneducated, he feels injustice has been done to him.
He has got all this from you only. He takes after your brother. Meena mama polika.
Bagane undi mee varasa.
शुक्रिया साहब जी. छोटे नवाब, आदाब आदाब.
Pillalu, complete your homework fast. I'm coming to check your work now.
Please give me some money.
Bachava, my day is incomplete unless I see you. Avunu, instead of begging like this, why don't you work in my house? I will send your child to Abhyasa school. They have a free school now.
No. I don't want to work. I am happy as a beggar. Naakoddu baboy.
Alright, here, take some sweets and go.
అమ్మా పొద్దుటి నుండి అక్కడ ఇక్కడ తిని ఇండైజెషన్ అయ్యింది. ఇప్పుడు మెడిసిన్స్ కి డబ్బులు కావాలి.
Here, take some money. Chudra Madhu.
Even if they don't study, it's okay. These beggars earn without an education.
Yeah. But they also work hard at begging, you know. They have to stand in the sun, which you and I can't. They have to act and emote and beg. It's hard work, Madhu.
Madina, yes, that beggar is luckier than me. Annaya, I know you're comparing me with that beggar. This is too much. I can't bear this. Anyayam jarigindi naaku.
Day by day, I'm getting more and more concerned for Rambabu. Why does he go on saying that injustice has been done to him?
Don't worry, our eldest son will change him.
Knowing Rambabu, he'll end up changing Kutumbarao.
What to do now? You only have spoiled him.
Not at all. He has got your nature. He takes after you.
But why are we quarreling now? We never fought with each other as long as we are alive.
Kalam, Kalikalam. That day on Sankranti, he created problems. Today it is Sri Ram Navami. God knows what is he going to do today.
Kaliyugam Ante.
బాబు అమ్మవారికి తాళిబొట్టు కట్టండి.
Stop it! Why should Peddannaya tie the tali every time? This is injustice done to us. My wife and I will do the ritual this year.
Babu, Ram Babu, the energy flows from top to bottom. The water in the river also flows from higher level to lower level. The good which is done by your brother flows down to you also. You are the last brother. If you perform the ritual, the good from it will not go to the other family members above you. Even according to the holy scriptures, the elder son must perform the rituals.
No, it means I will never get a chance to perform any rituals as long as my elder brothers are alive, or as long as we all live together. This is injustice done to us.
Babu, sort out your problems later. It is unlucky to stop the puja in the middle. Babu Kutumbarao, continue with the ritual.
All right, Pujari Garu.
This is an insult to my husband in front of all of our guests. Every year, it's the same story. Injustice is always done to my husband.
Yes, injustice is always done to me.
Please don't fight on the festival day in front of our guests.
Because it is convenient for you, you don't want to argue. Otherwise, the guests could also realize the injustice done to me.
Abba, Ram Babu, enough. Let us talk it out now.
Yes, let's sit down and talk. Cool down, Ram Babu. We'll talk it out.
Yevandi, please don't go. Please don't go.
We'll come back later. Hooray, Ram Babu. Why do you always keep fighting about such small things? You always make a mountain out of a molehill.
No, injustice is always done to me. This whole family is against me. I don't want to continue in this joint family system. Our parents spent a lot of money on all my 3 brothers. I never received a fair share of anything. Now I want to split up. Give me my share of land and property.
Please don't say such things. We are all one family. We must live together as one united, happy family. All we need is some mutual understanding and cooperation.
Even Rama and Sita were separated after marriage, even after Pattabhishekam. When gods themselves separate, why can't we humans separate and live?
See, what your father does every time. All this is happening only because of your father. And your father dominates too much on the whole family. And after you grow up, you will only perform all the rituals like your father? Yes, as the eldest among the cousins, I only will perform. I won't allow it. The gods must belong to all of us. Come, let's take the gods. Daddy, see what I got.
What is this? You got the monkey god? You are fit for only this. They all took the god statues and gave the monkey god to us. Anyayam jarigindi malli maaku. See, the gods are also separated now. I think this is the best time for us to separate.
The children are immature. They're doing foolish things. It doesn't mean to say that we elders should also act foolishly.
After marriage, Rama and Sita went on Vanavas. The marriage is over now. So let us all separate.
Gopal, Madhu, why don't you say something? Why don't you put some sense into your brother's head?
Annaya, Vijaya is also a doctor, Annaya. And together we earn a lot of money which we want to spend only on ourselves, Annaya, not on others. I can't stay in this house, Annaya.
All my friends live in the posh Banjara Hills and Jubilee Hills. Even though 50 years ago Abbots was considered the costliest area, now it is called the old city. How can we live here? We would like to live in a more posh area of the city.
Every day I have to commute a long distance to reach my office in the high-tech city, Annaya. My wife and I want to maintain separate car. We want to live in an apartment closer to high-tech city, Annaya.
When I go for a kitty party, all my friends are making fun of me because I have to go in an auto. I too want to buy a car and live in an upmarket area.
Madhu's kids are going to an international school, Annaya. I also want to send my kids to an international school. If I stay here in Abbots, I can't send them to Madhapur every day like Madhu. No, Annaya, I can't stay in this house.
It is far for our children tennis coaching also. So why don't we divide and live separately?
Please don't talk like this. It was our parents' last wish that all of us should stay united in our ancestral home.
Times are changing. We have to change with times. We can't hang on to parents' dreams and wishes forever.
Especially when so much injustice is done to us.
It is inauspicious to talk of all this today. Let us talk later.
Nothing doing. We want partition.
Yes, we are also in agreement.
We want to cook different things, but Akka insists that we should cook only what's grown in our fields.
Yes, let us part immediately and have our own kitchens until we move to different houses. Then we can cook whatever we want. Let us have our own freedom.
We also want our privacy. Siddharth comes and disturbs us when we do our homeworks and projects. We don't want to live together in this family.
Alright, if all of you want to separate, I will not stop you. But it will take some time for you to buy new houses or build new ones. Until then, we continue to live in the same house but separately.
Annaya, you're right. It will take us some time to buy a plot in Jubilee Hills and construct a house there, right? Okay, Annaya, we'll stay here in this house only, but separately.
Yes, it will take time. We'll stay here separately till then.
Yes, it is true. We'll stay here separately till then.
Alright, Rambabu, call the plumber, electrician, carpenter, everybody. We'll divide everything now.
Huh? What? No. Once we are decided to live separately, I will not supply any material. You have to get your work done by yourself.
Oh, alaga. Fine. If you and your family fall sick, no, don't expect me to come and attend you free of cost, okay?
Hardware costs money, but it doesn't cost any money for a doctor to diagnose a patient. This is injustice.
What? What, brother? What injustice? When you don't want to do anything for me, why should I do anything for you and your family, huh?
Okay. Please send them now. Hey, here. Stop this. Stop doing all this. I have contacted one carpenter who have ready-made partitions. He'll just send them now. we all can make our own payments. Hey, there he reached.
Wait. I want the portion near the well. I want Pedanaya's portion. I'll shift into his portion.
No, I'm afraid that is not correct according to Vastu. The eldest son must be in the south, accordingly the second son. The third son must be in the northwest, and the fourth son must be in the north. Therefore, it is not possible to fulfill your wish. If you go against Vastu, all of us will suffer.
Alright, then let us remain where we are. Bring the partitions.
Ayo, why are our sons fighting against each other like this?
Our family was the most respected family during the Nizams. What a prestige, what respect we commanded. All that will vanish now.
Why can't our daughters-in-law put some sense into our son's head? Instead, they are also fighting over silly things.
And look at our grandchildren. Even they are fighting with each other.
I had such high hopes for our grandchildren and their future. What will happen to them now?
Srilata, I'm going to my parents' house. Can you look after my children and make them do their homeworks, please?
Oh no, sorry. I'm taking my kids to the tennis academy, so I can't take care of others' kids.
Vijaya, please look after my children. I have to go to my parents' place.
I am going to a kitty party. I can't look after your children.
Hello, Little Star Crush? I have 2 kids aged 10 years and 12 years. I want to drop them in and pick them in the evening. How much would you charge?
This is a crush for little kids below 5 years, not for full-grown kids like yours.
Oh, okay, fine. Hello? Hi, Anita. How are you? We are such good friends. I thought I could ask you a favor. Can I leave Siddharth and Malika with you for a little while? I have to go to my parents' place. Oh, okay, fine. Everybody is selfish. Nobody wants to help me. Siddharth, Malika, you both stay in our portion. I'll lock the door from outside. You stay inside and behave yourselves, okay? I'll be coming in 10 minutes. Yeah, okay.
What happened, Siddharth? Malika, you tell.
Mummy said she would come back and cook food. Siddharth was feeling hungry, so I wanted to make Maggi noodles. He switched on the heater, put his finger in the water, and he got shocked.
Thank God, it was only a shock. If there was a short circuit and a fire broke out, what would have happened to you both? How can she lock you inside like this?
Thank God we are right here. Otherwise, okay, come in and have some food.
Oh my God, Siddharth, what happened? Oh my God.
Gopal, please attend to Siddharth. He got a shock. He tried to switch on that heater.
Okay, he's in a state of mental shock, Annaya. Let him take some rest. Okay, Siddharth, open your mouth. Yeah, his temperature is alright. Okay, take a deep breath. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, lie down now. I'll give him an injection. He should be fine by the morning with this.
Siddharth! Oh my God! What happened, my son? You locked the children inside the room. They were hungry and wanted to make Maggi noodles. They switched on the heater and Siddharth got a shock.
Babu, Siddharth, are you okay? Why did you switch on the heater? Gopal, how is he? Should we take him to the hospital?
He's okay. He's okay, Ram Babu. He's fine. I gave him an injection. Let him take some rest. He'll be alright by the morning, okay? He's fine.
Just because you are living separately, couldn't you have asked us to look after your children while you were out? You may have issues with me, but I don't have any issues with you.
But I will not change my mind. Injustice has been done to me for many years.
There is no power in our portion.
There's no power in my house? How come power's gone only in my portion? Hello? There's no power in my house. It inhabits.
What is the matter? What happened?
They say that my phase is gone because of a short circuit. They can repair only in the morning.
Children are having exams. How will they study without power? What to do now? Shall we send children to the neighbor's house to study?
No need to do that. We are still in the same house. You can take current from my portion. You think outsiders and neighbors will help? Now go, get a wire and take current from my portion.
Thank God, we all are still together in one way. At least now, you must realize your mistake and make peace. If we are really separated, do you think anyone will help us at all?
Okay.
Thank God, our eldest son Kutumbarao is managing to solve their problems.
Yes, I hope at least now Rambabu will gain some wisdom.
I can't understand what is wrong with our other two sons Gopal and Madhu. Why are they also behaving like Rambabu and asking for separation?
Arey, water is not coming. The taps are dry. It will be 11 o'clock by the time tanker reaches here. When will I get ready? When will I go to office?
I need water for cooking. I can't wait for water. When will I go to office?
I can't go to work at 12 o'clock. I'll get a black slip.
You can put a perfume and go now. But what can I do about the cooking?
What's the matter? What happened?
There is no water. I don't know why.
Yesterday I have separated the municipal water connection, as we have to pay our bills separately from now onwards. Your portion is last to get water, so there is no pressure.
So, will it go on forever like this?
Vastu, you wanted Vastu. All of you supported Annaya when he wanted Vastu. So suffer now.
Arey Madhu,
Annaya,
come here. Get a tube, take water from my portion, okay?
Thank you, Annaya. Thank you.
Good. You all have not gone away from here. Thank God we are still together. At least we can solve each other's problems.
Daddy, we have to bathe first because we have to go to Gachibowli.
Why do you have to go to school on the festival day? Today is Dasara festival. Don't you have holiday at least today?
We have an inter-house quiz competition today. That is why we have to go early. Besides, we don't get so many holidays for Indian festivals.
From now, you won't be going to an international school anymore.
Yes, now you will have to go to a state board school. It's here in Abbots.
So you can walk to and fro to your school. Now because it is so close to this place.
But why, Mommy, Daddy? Why are you stopping us to going to an international school?
Ankit, I can't afford to pay the fee of an international school.
We are now paying the monthly installment for our new flat in Madhapur. So we can't afford your fees for the international school anymore.
That's only for some months. After 2 or 3 years, we'll send you to the good school again. So don't worry.
Pedanana.
What is the matter, children?
We want to go to our old international school. You tell Daddy and Mummy. Please, we want to go to our old international school, Pedana. Please do something, please.
Madhu, don't spoil the future of the children. Send them to their old international school.
I am sorry, Annaya. I can't do that anymore. I don't have any more money now to pay this term fees.
Alright. Here, take this money. The other day I sold my share of the grain. So this money is still with me. You people have monthly salaries, but we farmers can manage somehow like this. So here, go and pay the fees. Let the children continue going to their own school.
Thank you, Annaya. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Pedanana.
If we were together, you would not have all these problems. Would you? Think about it, Madhu. Let us continue to live together.
We will see, Annaya.
Ore Gopal, Madhu, come out. Rambabu, where are you? Here, take your share of the farm production, Gopal. Madhu, here is your share. And here is your share, Rambabu.
I don't want grains. You sell the grains and give me the cash.
You refuse to bring the carpenter, isn't it? So who do you think will sell the grain for you?
Rama, you don't interfere in this matter between brothers. Alright, Rambabu, I will sell it and give you the cash.
Yevandi, when you go out, bring some food from the curry shop. Because we had water problem, I did not cook anything. The house is full of grains and vegetables, and you're bringing food from outside. The children's health will spoil.
Why should you buy from outside when everything is available at our house? This is shameful. All this is happening because we split Sita, Rama, Lakshmana and Hanuma. Karma.
You people have no water, no current, no food. You're locking up the children, not sending them to school. Still you want to live separately? Can't you see the truth? Are you blind?
We have a well in our house with 24 hours water, but you are fighting for municipal water.
did we fight? If our elders were foolish enough to fight, why did we fight?
Yes, even if our elders fight and have egos and arrogance, we at least should be sensible and happy.
One thing that strikes me is that how can you play separately?
We can live in separate rooms. We can work in separate workplaces. But how can we play alone?
How can anyone be happy alone? Can anyone play alone?
We don't care what elders do.
We, the children, have decided to stay together.
Let us all be happy together and live together. What day is it today?
Today is Vijayadashami, the day of Dasara. Pedanana, Pedanana.
What is the matter, children?
How many more days left for Sri Ramanavami?
6 months more for Sri Ramanavami. Why, children?
We have to unite Sita and Rama on Sri Ramanavami day.
Today is Vijayadashami. The evil in the form of Ravana was vanquished today, and good triumphed over evil. This was the day when Sri Rama and Sita were united after the war. You can unite Sita and Rama today also, children.
You said today was the day when evil was defeated. We have to unite the gods today. Can we unite everybody in the house today?
Of course, of course. Any day is a good day for such good deeds. Today is Vijayadashami, and it is the best day.
Today, the death of Ravana of our house is taking place. Ravana is not physically present over here, but his 10 heads of ego, jealousy, anger, greed, hatred, miserliness, selfishness, possessiveness, all these are destroyed forever.
All these 10 heads were sitting walls. India and China are today coming together. India and Pakistan are also making efforts to come closer. And the world itself is not speaking of any divisions. These are the days of fusion and synthesis.
We have decided to live together
peacefully and happily.
It's up to you to decide what you would like to do.
I still have one doubt.
Inka emite?
Are they together or separated?
I don't know.